Politics Watch. This is RP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the trial that commenced today. Right? When you hear this video, right, should be at the day when the trial start. Should be, because as you know, right, if you've seen my video a couple of days ago, black man I say I'm not a lawyer and all kind of things. So the trial should start today. But will it start today or next week? This is the reality. This trial should be a slam dunk for the DPP. This trial should be a slam dunk for the Jamaican justice system. I keep saying should be instead of will be, because we're talking about the Jamaican justice system. You know the little hoop, something them where you can buy for pitney, like basketball hoop, and you can lower it down all the way down to the point where the pitney for us hold the ball over the net and it drop in it. You think to yourself, alright, pitney I can't miss. Just let go of the ball and the ball will drop in the net. Enough time they miss same way. So I'm going to tell you why this trial should be a slam dunk. But before we go into that, I want to send a special happy birthday shout out to none other than Shantae Council. Daddy's little girl. You know, Daddy's a long time Patreon member. Over a year now, but he never used any birthday him shout out them for himself. You know. Him save them for him little princess. So Shantae, hope you have a great day. Wish you good health, especially nowadays, because that's the most important thing at the end of the day. And remember, Daddy love you, and don't take it for granted. Say you have a father in your life as a young lady growing up. It's really a blessing. We can move into the video. Klansman trial. Reports come out say even some of the road them in downtown Kingston get shut down. Right? Police are advising members of the public that the intersection of King Street and Tower Street, right, and the intersection of King Street and Barry Street will be closed Monday, September 20th. Right? Now, this would happen for a number of reasons. One, obviously, is going to be a whole heap of man that get shuttled back and forth. Right? Plus, we talk about the lawyers, them and all them things there. But from a tactical standpoint, this is very good. By completely closing the road, right, it means at no point, none of the witnesses them can get stuck in a traffic. Because that is when people are at their most vulnerable. The only thing they need to do is keep the witnesses them alive, and this trial is a slam dunk. Should be a slam dunk. Traffic is when people are at their most vulnerable. That is why anytime you see presidents and prime ministers move around, them convoy go right through. Them to stop. The fact that they've managed to keep the witnesses them alive up until this point is a success all by itself. Because bear in mind, so there'd be no stone left unturned to get them out. And the fact that the witnesses haven't been compromised show me say JCF, the justice system, the government, I start to realize say when it comes down to them type of trial, yeah, only certain police, right, only police that have been vetted, right, only police from certain units can go near the witness them. Because your standard run-of-the-mill squaddy, right, might go feedback the info to the Klansman them. And if that was the case, then witnesses would have gone a long time. There would be no trial. If it was just left up to the, your favorite squaddy from down the road, from just man who in a dance and knock champagne glass with Klansman and him police, they would have still out the witness a long time. So only certain officers probably get handpicked, right? Can't go anywhere near these witnesses. So far, well done. But again, we say should be a slam dunk. But we now count the egg them until them hatch. The DPP and our team must still deliver. And there's about 10 of them that I'm really keeping an eye on. I'm not going to do any videos on them during the trial. When the trial done, I will see it turn out. There's some of them who you've heard me mention them before. You'd have heard me talk about Smokey, Hezzy, as you know, Muta them, Big Brother, from the Bedbugs. Of course, you know Blackman already. Heard me talk about City Puss, Muma, the female shot caller, much bigger than a kerosene. But we did them say them catch the first official gunwoman. Well, that girl, child's play compared to Muma. Crooks, Pigs, Squeeze Eye. Who remember Squeeze Eye? Real and them and them. Now watch you see what gonna happen with the case. Brains, Barber. I'm keeping a close eye. And I want the people of Jamaica to understand, say, this is bigger than just, locking up Blackman or locking up Crooks. Keeping City Puss behind bars. It's bigger than that. What this trial I gonna do is show if anti-gang legislation ready. We hear them say, them learn from the mistake of other trials. Right. For example, you change say Wilson, them say all of the flaws, the weaknesses, and them say alright, them correct it. And now, them are going to demonstrate the game plan them have for the Klansman. And this is a much bigger trial, not just in terms of numbers, but in terms of the individuals, compared to Chancellor Wilson. The whole of talking, oh we're going to make sure and we strengthen. Now is when it matters. You can talk all you want. That come like somebody tell you say, they might go Olympics, go run 9-8. Alright, we hear you, but see the track, yeah? Here is the track. But this lineup is not in the 8 people, it's in the 8 lane. This is going to be 2 people in 2 lanes. In lane 1, we have the DPP, Paula Llewellyn. She will be trying to set a personal best. But in lane 2 beside her is Andre Blackman Bryan. He will be representing the whole of the Klansman. If Paula Llewellyn met Blackman beat her in another race, time to hang up the boots. I'm not talking about the boots you buy in a pharmacy. When them up on the little shelf behind, I'm not talking about them boots there. I mean running boots, spikes. Time to hang them up. This is a career-defining trial, make or break. We are talking about legacy. And don't think say just stop at the DPP foot, Remember the DPP in the right law. So if we hear say, well the reason why this happened because the law never did it and the law wasn't in place, right, then we don't know all that got ready. Then we're going to ask the question why in 2021, after multiple gang trials, after knowing the Klansman trial upcoming, after knowing the anti-gang legislation, they want this and want that, why it never happened. So we don't want any excuse, we don't want to see no politician, we don't want to see nobody come out afterwards and say, well, oh, we never realized that the law never, because we can get all the legal advice in the world. If people can't identify weaknesses in the legislation and patch weaknesses, then them don't deserve them job. So we have set the stage from now. People of Jamaica, we have to make it clear. No excuses. Either you can't do it or you don't want to do it. And then claim say them want to do it. So if them fail, that means they can't do it. And if them can't do it, why are these people in charge? Why are these people being trusted to make decisions? Surely you can't get no easier than this. Remember, Klansman killings them brawling, broad daylight in front of the whole bus park, everybody can see. Right. You talk about a group of men, a couple of murder ups, and then come back and then start arguing amongst themselves. Right in front of everybody, who give the victim more rounds. Right. Man I say him give him 7, The next man I say, him give him 10, so that means I really fee him kill. And man I say, no, I him give him the first 7, and afterwards you give them 10, so my 7 count before you. That's a genuine argument in a Klansman. Man argue over them thing there, publicly. So them can't sink man like that, them can't get us some witnesses. Right. We can't sink man like that. We don't know who the man sink. So now the people them, Spanish Town, residents of St. Catherine in general, I guess you could say, all well-thinking Jamaicans, are now privately cheering on the witnesses. Because you know, people have to do that privately, especially in a Spanish Town and certain places. They can't really walk around and say, you know, big up the witnesses, them are what they come through. People might overhear, and next thing you know, people will make phone call and say, so and so, or informer, because they might say, you know, big up the witnesses them. You know, the informer for dead culture already, which is a fake culture by the way. Because nobody, and I repeat, nobody, give the police more information than your favorite 87 and 90. It's just that they want a monopoly on it. They want to be the only ones, right? We can give police intel when them feel like. Right? Your favorite Dan, as them come under little pressure, right? Them give them 87. You know much wanted man, they have a place to hide, and when them look, police are knock on the door come for them. And they think to themselves, right, I must, Miss Jones, Miss Simpson, Miss Smith, are good at the one, blacks, and them start guess everybody, right, who tip out the police, and you know how them see him done. Right. I try to take little pressure off of himself, them see him 87 who realize, say, what? Well, they're gonna with the use go up on the apps that him have it now, say, police catch him with it, no one kill him with it, then the case done. So that's why Mac and Jerry them man, they cause them a fraud. Them burn down much people house, and much of much people lives because them a quote unquote informer. But as soon as them get in a little trouble, them go buy one big bottle of honey, right, and buy about 10 lime. So you know, so for them throat now sore or host up anytime soon. Right. That whole thing has always been a myth. Even when the Coastal Notion them man, they tell them about code of silence, right? Code of silence and honor. As soon as Uncle Sam draft up the RICO laws and man starts with some numbers, some sentencing numbers, right, we look like say, all if you did and come back you have to go back to jail. Man transform to the National Water Commission right away. It's a complete foolishness. But them telling about now, them hating farmer and informer for them. Complete rubbish. These witnesses, right, on the Klansman trial, it's because of them. If it's a slam dunk, it will be because of them first. No matter how well prepared the DPP and our team is, no matter how good them perform in the trial, none of that no mean nothing without the witnesses. So it should be a slam dunk. Should be. Like I see it play out now. Patience Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Culture Squad, stay circling. Bless.